Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Trekster down in Arkansas, I believe, on this Ranger RCI X9HP. Trekster, this thing's going to be giving them Razorbacks a time to go in your local neighborhoods. This thing's going to be hammering. Got some good clean audio, got a high cut filter on it, wideband receive, my tuning alignment. So let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug. Just a shade over 5 watts, that way if you decide to run with 8 pill or bigger, you'll have enough adjustability. 55 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello audio. Hello 130 bird. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 280 PEP. Alright Trekster, man, this thing's ready to come to you. A beautiful radio. It's packing some big power, and it's the size of a Cobra 29 with dual fans. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.